Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ebys'Lady on the beat, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel, guys. I think in this video I want to talk about how you can build your social media, whether it's on Facebook, whether it's on YouTube. Build up your social media and start making money and start earning money. Guys, we need this money. And today I'm going to be using myself as an example, you understand, for you to be able to help and build your page. That page that you are using, yes, your name is on that page, but that page is no longer yours. Especially if you are interested in making money and building up your page. That page belongs to your audience. You're showing up for your audience. Your audience decide whether you're going to be monetized. Your audience decide whether you're going to cash out. Your audience decide if this page is going to push. Your audience decide if the algorithm is going to agree with you. So everything is all about the audience. The content should be all about the audience and not what you love to do. Yes, there's something that you love to do, but fine. I know you don't only have one interest. There are different interests that you have. Let's say you have 5 interests. So those things, definitely your audience might fall in love with one of them or 2 things that you are doing. You understand? So if you know that you are good at something, push it up so that your audience can love what you are doing. So let's say, for example, you have all these 5 things that you are doing and it's not building up, it's not coming up. Do not stay on it. You can change on another niche. So people love to do makeup, but when they are doing makeup, their channel is not growing. And they started sewing clothes and they started helping out. That is still you, and your audience still picks what they want you to do. Exactly. Unless you are just posting randomly and maybe it might take time, to pick up. So now let's go. The first thing that you need to do is to focus on your audience. What do my audience like to see me do? What do my audience likes me to do? That is the number one thing you do. So every other thing that you are doing, leave it and focus on your audience. And number two thing that you should focus on is what? The kind of post that you post. You need to put trends. You need to put out informative, meaningful content that can attract people. A lot of people know how to do certain things, how to do this, how to do that. Those kind of videos always come out. Those kind of videos always help you to build up your channel. If you're into games, fine. If you're into any maybe gist, if you're into any kind of niche, just find out how you can make it, create it very, very well, meaningful for your audience. Another thing is to post consistently. When they tell you to post out consistently, show up consistently, it is actually going to help you to build up your page. Not posting today, and the next time they're going to be seeing you is next month, unless something happened. And you should actually let your audience know that this is why I am not going to be posting consistently. Something happened or this happened, you need to communicate with them. You need to engage yourself with them. You understand? So that they can know what is going on with you. So posting consistently, you need to post, let's say, show up at least 3 times in a week. If you can show up every day, great. If you can show up 5 times in a week, great. But make sure that you are showing up. And that is how the algorithm push your content. Honestly, when you start posting and people are engaging, the algorithm will know that yes, this person is still here with us. You understand? You find certain ways of posting, and posting consistently doesn't mean that you can be posting random things. I remember when I opened this Facebook, my YouTube channel, I was posting different things. Post this one today, post this one today, and it was not really working for me until and I found out yes, my audience like when I talk about business ideas, they love it. And when I go to market and show them what is happening in the markets, my audience love it, and that is how my channel blew up. Honestly, guys, that was how my channel blew up. And the next thing that you need to focus on, number 5 or number 4, is your editing. Yes. If you don't know how to edit videos, go and learn how to edit videos. You can actually learn it from YouTube. You don't need to start paying quite lots of money for editing. Or if you have someone that can just teach you, if you have money to pay to the person, you can pay. You understand? Download CapCut or other editing apps so that you can use them to edit. And you don't need expensive gears. You don't need expensive equipment, expensive phone. Just find a phone that has good camera quality. Quality matters. When I see some video that doesn't have good quality, sometimes I don't. It's hard to watch. You understand? So focus on having a good quality camera. Get your gears. You don't need expensive things. If you cannot get a tripod stand, you can even hang your phone somewhere so that you know you can do your videos or shoot whatever you want to shoot. Guys, it's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat, and I'd like to welcome you back. Thank you for watching. And if you love my hair, you want to get this hair is actually for sale and it's called Rosy Coils, guys. See you next time. Bye bye. And thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Make sure that you are subscribing to my channel. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.